Hello everyone, this is Zillion Tech, and today we're going to talk about Photoshop. So I have these paper textures here. I always save them so that I could use them in my future projects. Like now I'm in a yearbook staff, and I just want to share you a little great effect that I have just discovered by myself. And as you can see, I have this plain texture. It's a plain paper texture. So I have just imported this into my Photoshop, and there what it looks like. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So all I did is I applied a texture here like this to make it look like old. It's a grunge texture. I'll show you that. This one. There. I've just imported this one into this project, tiled it into 90 degrees angle so that it will be in landscape, and I've set the layer properties to multiply, because if you choose normal, your the layers that beneath it won't be um, won't be visible. So we're gonna go ahead and choose it to multiply. So how how did I this? This is so light, wow, and this is so dark, and there's a light spot here. All I did is go to filter, render, and lighting effects. Now all you have to do is to choose some other effects like this, floodlight. Myself, I use soft omni. I will just tweak the settings down here. But it all depends on you, on what you like. In my case, this was the result. So I have this. How did I draw this? I had these shapes that I have downloaded from divineart.com, and I have this heart and mechanical circle around it, and a cute little one shape like this. I've just merged them by selecting them like this. If, for example, this is the shape 1, shape 2, shape 3. I press Ctrl and E, merge them in one layer, and set the layer opacity, layer properties to multiply. And then I have applied the filter artistic colored pencil, so that it will look like it's been drawn by someone. About the font, I've just used the pastel font. You can Google it if you want. It really looks like it's chalk or crayon. Just wait. There you go. It's pastel. Try this pastel. There. And there's another alternative font that you might want to try. It's called Crayon. Crayon font. Crayon. It's somewhere here. There. Crayon. But the only thing that I want is the pastel, because pastel has an applied texture, unlike crayon is like plain crayon. That's all. So I'm going to delete this, and the same, I've already tweaked this into multiply, so that it will look like it's being drawn on a paper. So how did I make this fade out? So all I did is right click on the layer, blending options, and tweak the blending options here. Make sure you click on blend if gray. So as you can see, as I move this one, oh, it vanishes. But if I move this one there, no, I want them to be a little bit visible. So all I have to do is to hold down the Alt key. It's the Alt key, which is on the right side of the Windows key, and drag this one There you go. You can tweak them manually and manually and manually according to the style that you want. There you go. All you have to do is to do that. That's the same thing I did in the um, shapes here. I tweak them to blending options. Mm, uh, so it's lighter here. So it will only tweak the light parts of the shape.